Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've seen the video that goes up before this one, you would have seen that I've just reviewed the Lacura Pink Clay face treatments. There's a cleanser, exfoliator and a mask. I literally use those. So I thought there's a few things I really want to review at the moment, and they would be my natural steps. So I'm going to do all three of them. So I've taken my turby twist off my hair, which if you saw in the previous videos, I literally just got out of the shower, so my hair was in my turby twist. Dame Edna's. So this is what I want to review. It's argan oil, hair treatment with Moroccan argan oil, intensive hydrating treatment, repairs and rejuvenates, leaving hair shiny, smooth and healthy. There's 50 mils in here, so you've got an extra 20 mils. That must have been 30 mils previous to this then, and I bought this in Poundland. Now my hair is growing, it's actually getting quite long, and as you know, I'm always colouring my hair. Ever since I was 16 I've coloured my hair a whole variety of different colours, never at the same time though. I haven't quite done that yet. And I thought, I keep seeing this in there, and I've used the shampoo and I've used the conditioner and I've used the spraying conditioner, but I haven't actually used this in my hair. So that's what the box looks like. Towel dry hair, which it is now, and apply 2 to 3 drops into the palm of your hand. Distribute evenly throughout your hair. For longer hair, 4 to 5 drops are recommended. Leave oil in and style as normal. It also says here that argan oil hair treatment has been specially formulated using oil from the fruit of the argan tree and enriched with vitamin E, a natural antioxidant to nourish and rejuvenate dry and damaged hair. This concentrated formula will help protect your hair whilst adding shine and reducing frizz. Let's crack on. What a bargain if it's good. £1. Okay, the first thing I like to see is the fact it's in a dark bottle. I think if you get any oils that are in dark bottles, it's a decent product. Purely and simply because a lot of oils need to be protected and they do need to be kept in sort of the dark or darker areas of your room, and if they're in a dark bottle, that prevents like the sunlight going in too easily. So I thought it might have a little dropper, but it doesn't, so it's literally like that. So the drops, I guess, can be as big as you want them to, so I'm going to have to be a little bit like woohoo here. Okay, one, oh, see, I poured and I didn't drop. Okay, so you can, I think this might take a little bit of practice with me, rub it into the palm of my hands to evenly distribute, as they say. Smells nice, and I'm just going to start with the ends of my hair, because that is usually where we all need it, is at the ends, and it's actually going in really, I can feel it going in quickly. Don't know if I'm tempted to put any more on. I don't think so. I think that's adequate. Bearing in mind they weren't drops, mine were like little paws to start with. So I'm just going to work that in, and then any residue on my hands, I'm just going to go over the top like that. I'm sure when I comb my hair it's just going to distribute it a little bit better anyway, a little bit more evenly. So before I knock this over and it goes a Burton, I'm going to pop it back in there. Keep it in there because, as I say, I want to protect an oil from the light. Okay, so I've got a wide tooth comb here. And I'm going to start at the bottom. It feels nice. It's going through, oops. It's going through nicely. So I think the proof of the pudding will be literally in how it dries. I don't want it to be all greasy. So it's how it dries, and it's going to be a working progress, I think. I'm obviously not going to be able to say I'm getting all the results from one application, but I think if I continue to use it, you know, just sort of see how it goes. Anything that helps the ends of your hair when you've got long hair. Right, so there we are. Thought I'd just show you what it's like on my hair. So if your hair's anything like mine, fine but long and coloured, I should pop a little note in my diary and do a review of this in, I think I'll leave it for maybe 2 to 3 weeks to see how I'm getting on with it and if it's making any improvement. I'll come back to you guys. So if you've enjoyed this video, if it's helped you at all or inspired you to use argan oil on your hair, give me a little thumbs up. If you want to see my review of this in 2 to 3 weeks time, subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell, and then you'll know when I've done my review upload. Until then, stay safe and stay fabulous. See you in the next one, guys. Bye bye.